Hey, one thing I forgot to mention, we now, as of today too, have a microwave bowl cozy set. So if you've ever burned your fingers trying to get a hot bowl out of the microwave, this is a way for you to not do that and for your kids to use the microwave safely as well. So let me show you what that looks like after I hit the right button. So before I microwaved this, you can actually put your pasta cooker in there, and this is microwave safe, okay? And you can also put it in the washing machine to wash it up. So you can actually just put it in there, put your ingredients in, and set it in the microwave, and you just pick it up by holding two of these, and then when you're done in the microwave, you take it out. This does not get hot, so no burnt fingers, exactly. So, and you can wash them up in your dishwasher, in your washing machine. But see how nice and creamy our pasta has gotten now? Can't wait to try it. So a set of 2 of the cozies is $17.50, and it comes with 2 different sizes. It comes with a smaller one and a larger one. So now you know the 2 products that came out today, so make sure you hop on and get them. Consultants, you can get them for half price. See you later. Bye.